Всем привет, ребят, ну это очередная реакция. Тут кое-что вышло недавно, уже минут 10 назад. Burning Crusade Classic and Ode to Raging Heroes. Ну, посмотрим, что Blizzard нам подготовили.
Wow. Hard to believe it's been 14 years. Right, Blanchy? So here's a little ode to some of the heroes coming back. The ones who started at Burning Crusade. I will give their stories a whack. The last time these heroes were here, they charged right through the portal, then carved through all our enemies to the point they seemed immortal. Yeah, they got stomped by the Fell Reaver, the 20-story brute. But that won't stop me from giving the horn a toot.
О, камень гильдии. Вы видели там такой тип руны?
So, let us begin with this hunter here, an epic adventurer who took out that troll Zujin and that dragon
шаман.
And this is back in classic with all those brutal fights, especially Kalthas, who calls the Thousand Wipes.
That was merely a setback.
Our heroes have returned. Now he was a hero to the Blood Elves, and she to the New Drenai. She drove us all crazy with that phoenix mount she'd fly. And she'd storm the Black Temple, not a single soul was spared. And she showed the mighty Illidan it was he who was not prepared.
I can't believe it's her.
With everybody coming back, preparing adventures anew, our heroes have a chance to change the stories as they choose, whether they become explorers or masters of the raid. All hail every legend of the Burning Crusade. All hail every legend of the Burning Crusade.
Так, ребят, мне понравился, еще там ссылочка была на этот, как его там, камень гильдии, прикол, как они так сделали, ладно, я не знаю, как вам, как фанат, мне понравилось. Конечно, я Burning Crusade не играл, это у меня слов нет, что сказать, ладно, подписывайтесь на канал, всем удачи и всем пока.
Чему так больно? Сделай же контрольный. Стану птицей воли.